Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden 4 fast launch mod. This mod will skip the intro videos. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and just need to go to files, select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and it will start download. After the download done, click on open it, and then you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. So if you don't know where the game is saved, you just need to check my video description for this location. Just navigate to this path, and then just drag and drop this assets folder in your game. Replace the file in the destination and double click on the readme. Do not delete anything, just paste over. We exactly done where he said game root folder. And now you can open the game so fast because the starting intro video will not play, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.